So, welcome back, friends. Yesterday, I did mention that don't be so disillusioned. The market, people are expecting severe correction, fall, weakness, whatever you would like to call it. But I feel that the market will emerge victorious over a period of time. Now, the problem is that I don't see the type of weakness, the crash that many people, especially on YouTube, are putting out. I don't see that kind. However, although I do think that there will be a period when the market will be like one way up also, but before that, it has to cross some impediments. For example, this week itself, there are a lot of impediments. There's a consumer inflation data coming out on the 17th in the United States. Then there is where the culmination of the US-India trade deal, what final form it emerges, and how the markets view at it. Also, very important will be the Bank of Japan meeting on the 18th and 19th of December and their final decision on the 19th, which I think will be a market moving event because the Bank of Japan widely expected to raise interest rates by 25 basis points, which makes it more attractive to invest in Japan than in any other countries, because everybody else is on a rate cutting spree, like the United States, like India, even the ECB, the European Central Bank. So Japan is raising rates, then firstly the carry trade, the yen carry trade loses its gusto. More people secondly will be investing in Japan, and all this makes for a unholy cocktail. So that's the third factor. The fourth factor, which many people are ignoring, is the release of the Epstein files. There is a lot more data that is expected to be released by the Justice Department within a week. Now, if that carries any unexpected names, anything else I can tell you about the US-India trade deal, I can tell you when I hope it will be announced. I can tell you how the inflation numbers will come in the United States. But I am not privy to the Epstein files for obvious reasons, which you well understand. If something unique comes out in that, then that may not be a very happy situation, friends. So we need to watch all these various signs. Out of the 4 signs, 3 I can tell you my best judgment, and therefore the movement of the market also I can tell you accordingly based on that. 4th is the joker in the pack, the Epstein files. I hope nothing unique comes out as far as India is concerned. Friends, the market is heavily undervalued in India. Many think that the valuations far exceed the earnings and all that. Undervaluation in the sense that most of the world has dramatically rallied. Our markets in India have not rallied, and that technically they should be set for a rise, but these impediments have to be crossed before that big fast furious rise comes. To get to know more, please to join our premium value. We give you 1 week view. That's only our view, and you can WhatsApp us on 9820861044. Do remember that all our material analysis is our views. What we are seeing, we are telling you to be able to make your own judgments and then do your investments. But these are our views based on whatever we see around us, like the events, the 4 events I told you. All my analysis carries some reasoning. Nothing is without logic, and then only you can make wise investment decisions. Okay, so hope you have a productive week ahead, and if interested in any of these groups, the daily predictions group or the 1 week in advance, do WhatsApp us 9820861044. And do remember, we are only looking for people who are willing to be here for a long period of time, 6 months, 12 months at a minimum. We are not looking for people who just come for 1 month, 2 months, because we want to also, ours is an art of investing. We want to train people. If you have losses, we are willing to help you to recover your losses. All this we are willing to do. But we need some commitment. People who want to come, they should have the willingness to be here for a period of time. Happy investing. Have a nice week ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.